Joints are where two bones meet. They allow the body to move.
A hinge joint moves mainly in one direction. The knee is a hinge joint. Cartilage and joint fluid reduce friction. They let joints move smoothly. Ligaments hold joints together. They keep the bones stable. A ball and socket joint moves in many directions. The shoulder is highly mobile. The hip is a strong ball and socket joint. It supports body weight. Healthy joints move easily. Damaged joints cause pain and stiffness.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow Dr. Academy for more.